Hi, and welcome back to Speak Smart, the podcast where we unpack language and communication through a linguistic lens. I'm Tanisa, and in this episode, we're looking at something deceptively simple: small talk. You know, those seemingly trivial chats about the weather, traffic, or weekend plans? Today, we'll explore how small talk isn't small at all. In fact, it's a powerful tool for building trust, easing tension, and even fostering connection. Let's get into it. Linguists call small talk a form of phatic communication. It refers to speech whose purpose is social rather than informational. In other words, it's not about the content, it's about the connection. When someone says, "hot day, isn't it?" they're not conducting a weather report. They're inviting you into a shared social space. Think of it like the verbal equivalent of a handshake. Research in sociolinguistics and communication, like that by Deborah Tennant and Harvard Business Review, shows that small talk plays a key role in establishing rapport. It acts as a soft launch for deeper conversations and makes interactions smoother. One Harvard study on successful negotiations found that partners who engaged in 5 minutes of small talk before a deal outperformed those who went straight to business. Why? Well, because small talk fosters psychological safety and perceived warmth, both key for trust. Linguistically, small talk tends to follow a predictable script. You have openers like, "Hi, how's your day going?" or shared context like, "This meeting room is freezing," or back channeling like, "Right? Oh, I know." Or mutual disclosure like, "I had the same thing last week." It's not the originality that matters, it's the coordination. Like a dance, small talk is more about rhythm, timing, and reciprocity than wit. But small talk isn't universal. A high context cultures like Japan or Thailand, where silence can be respectful, small talk may feel unnecessary or even intrusive. US or Australia, it's practically a social lubricant. Understanding this can prevent miscommunication. A well-meaning joke about traffic might fall flat or worse across cultures. So adjust your small talk radar based on context and culture. If small talk makes you cringe, here are 3 linguistically sound tips. 1. Mirror the other person's language. Match their tone, energy, and level of disclosure. That's called linguistic accommodation. 2. Use openers with shared context. Like, "These cues, huh?" is better than a random fact. And 3. Be present. Small talk works when it's genuinely responsive. Don't script it in your head while they're speaking. So next time you're chatting by the coffee machine or waiting for a Zoom meeting to start, remember those small exchanges might be laying the groundwork for bigger collaboration, smoother communication, and stronger relationships. Small talk isn't small, it's strategic. Thanks for tuning in to Speak Smart. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to follow, share, or drop a review. And hey, go say hi to someone today, even if it's just about the weather. Catch you in the next episode.